Good morning, afternoon, or evening. We're from nursing district and we are going to present to you the technique of applying intramuscular, subcutaneous, and intradermal injection. My name is Erick Briceño and my college Arlett Castro.
The first thing we have to do for the intramuscular techniques is to wash our hands. Stop, then cordially explain the producer to the patient. Then the patient is placed in a ventrolateral or sitting position according to his physical state, and remember that only the puncture site should be encumbered. Grab your medicine and don't forget to change the needle. You must identify where the application will be applied according to the site to be picked and clean the region with an alcohol swab. Apply the precipice and asepsis. It is very important to extract the air from the syringe. You must limit and picture by position the needle at an 90-degree angle. You must aspirate the syringe and verify that no blood flows, and proceed to slowly introduce the medicine. Finally, remove the needle and place a cotton swab, making a slim pressure for at least 1 minute. Remember to give the necessary recommendation to the patient.
For our subcutaneous technique, we will carry out our hand washing. In the same way, explain the procedure to the patient in a respectful way. We place the patient in a supine or seated position according to his physical state and reveal only the region to be punctured. Load your medication and don't forget to change the needle. You must identify, select and carry out your cleaning in the region with an alcohol swab. Extracts the air from the syringe, delimits and performs the puncture at an angle of 45 degrees. Aspirate the syringe and verify that no blood flows, and slowly introduce the medication. Then remove the hypodermic needle and apply pressure with a swab for at least 1 minute. Finally, give the necessary recommendations to the patient. To finish in the intradermal technique, we start without hand washing. You must explain in a cordial and respectful manner to the patient the objective of the procedure. Place the patient in a supine or seated position according to their physical state, and remember, you only have to discover the region to be punctured. Load your medication and change the needle. Identifies, selects, and performs cleaning with a swab. Remember to extract the air from the syringe, delimit and introduce the type of the bevel upwards at an angle of 15 degrees in the corresponding place. Slowly introduce the medicine and verify that a bubble is created with the same medicine, and remove the sharp. Finally, give the necessary recommendations.
That would be all from us. I hope it has been of help to you. See you soon.